Right. So before I start with the other part, I would like to ask you. So have you guys understood what I have taught you so far? Is it? So is it a building block for us to build a small Kindle interface? Can we do that now? Can you do that now on this side? Yes, very good. How are online students? Can you do it now? I mean, the small interface that we have taught you, is it possible for you guys to build a small interface from your side? Is it clear to all of you? Online students, can you hear me? Only one out of 59. Have you understood so far what I have said? Very good. So, what actually I really want you guys just to practice this thing at home, and I will also say that I think Kinter is one of the best tool to start building your applications. Okay, some people, if you're looking for Pygame, it will be coming in another couple of weeks. But if someone wants to, I will start with Kinter itself. You can start from now itself, depending on how much time you would like to give an effort. But my one request to all of you will be that whenever you build an application, as I told you, bring something innovative, unique, something that you think that is really look really nice. Okay, you can also import the whole graphics, the graphics thing that you've done with the turtle, and that's what is a group of 2, 3, 4 people are working. If you guys can share the load properly, you can end up with such a nice tool that you can see. Today's material is more than enough for us to build one interface easily. And we already have done all the codes in the previous classes as well. So if you can add those code over here, it will be a nice interface for all of us. Now, in terms of adding audios, in terms of adding images, yes, you can use some open tools as well, not a problem. Okay. But for example, I really want you to use the building blocks from here, but don't come up with something that is completely new or something that actually is very advanced sort of thing, because that will not make me understand whether you've understood the whole thing or not. Okay, but you are allowed to use other libraries if you want to. That is not a problem. You are allowed to use other libraries. I mean, it is not only this one. You should, if you want to build these interfaces, and if you want to build, if you want to use some image processing tools, pillows, and everything, you can do that type of thing. Not a problem. But try to make it something that you've learned, and I would like to see your majority of the learning in the application itself. That is important. Okay, and come with something unique. That is important for all of us. Okay, guys, and that will bring an end of today's class, because I think that is actually what I was about to teach you. These codes are already there. Before we finish this class, I'd like to also show you one more thing. I think this is developed by Bawan Sheng. I asked him to make something for us, and you'll find it in the tutorial. So if you see in the tutorial, I've given he also given the database and wish list as well. And this is I think this is the what is it called, the video. Let me download the video so they can have a look. He just took a couple of hours. I mean it was not his assignment. He just do it because he'll be paid for that one. Okay, paid job, I'll do it. It is not an assignment I'm going to give his mark, right? But he did it, and he showed it, but it's a really effective one for you guys to see. And you see, it's a nice one. I'll show you. I hope I can play from here. Media player, yes. Look, he just made a small thing with, and from here you can understand what is there. Grid, entry, label, list, okay, retailers, price. Now the best thing that he has done, he has maintained a database as well. Okay, so there's a database at the back end as well to store all the data. So the code is already there, everything is there. You can easily use it to incorporate your thing. So yes, he put one item names, and then he's going to put another item names. So and look, I mean, he's a sort of guy who loves chips and burritos. This really shows his taste, what sort of taste he likes. So and so he got one chips from Woolworths and one from Coles. My lord. Anyway, so this is actually a wish list, and then you can also add You can remove, you can update, you can clear the input as well. All this functions are working, right, Mohan? All these functions are working at the back, so you can do that as well. You can update the wish. Look, this is the beauty of this one is that you know how to build the interfaces. There's already a database at the back. So your duty will be to extract the database and put it according to your own way. We have given you the code already for that. You can work on it as well. Okay, so you can remove the wish, and I think that will bring an end of it, but that's good. So adding, removing, updating, clearing, all these things are there. The code is already there as over here as a database code and the wish list. You can download the code and you can use it for your own need as well. Okay, guys. Thank you very much for the lectures, and then you keep on working. And guys, please don't forget to submit your second assignment by 10th of this month. Okay, guys. Online students, clear? Nice, all of you? Good? Okay then. Let's continue further on the next week with the another new lecture as well. But please submit your assignment by week 10. Thank you.